Hey Edson, it's Mayor Zahara on this Tuesday with a special COVID-19 Town of Edson update. We've seen a huge increase in numbers over the last 4 days here in the province of Alberta. On average, 560 new cases per day. There was a system maintenance update happening over the weekend, so numbers were not updated yesterday. They did update them here this afternoon. That includes 4 new active cases here in the Edson region, which stretches from about Carrot Creek to Marlborough. Last week we had 0 active cases and 3 recovered. Now we have 4 active cases and 3 recovered. Obviously this is concerning. That's a huge jump in numbers. Contact tracing for all the positive cases occurs across the province, and that's what's going to happen in this case as well. AHS officials will be trying to do their best to do their contact tracing and identify anybody that may be in contact with these individuals. So we may see those numbers increase, and we have to be concerned about that. First and foremost, our thoughts are with those that have been diagnosed with COVID-19. We hope that you have a speedy recovery, and we just need to take extra precautions, making sure that we're physically distancing, hand sanitization. The Premier spoke about how a death in a senior's home was tracked back to a house party. That's what happens when they do the contact tracing. They're able to track back and see where the initial infection happened. And that's really unfortunate. And that's why I'm pleading with everybody to be extra safe, extra cautious, going back to those fundamental basics of protecting ourselves and protecting one another by hand sanitization, physically distancing, staying home if we're sick, and wearing masks where appropriate. Tonight, council is meeting. We are going to be wearing masks in an abundance of precaution. There is no mandatory mask bylaw enacted as of yet in our community. It will be enacted if we have 10 or more cases, and if we see what we're seeing, which is increasing numbers throughout the region, which is very concerning. So we're going to take some extra precautions tonight as we meet here in council chambers. We've been maintaining 6 feet distance from one another here around the table, but we're going to take that extra measure tonight just to be extra safe and to be extra cautious. And that's something that I hope that we all do as a community, working together to prevent the spread of COVID-19, to protect the most vulnerable in our community, those with underlying health issues, senior citizens, people that may be more greatly impacted than younger folks with COVID-19, and also to making sure that we're not going to overburden our healthcare system, which I think is a really big concern right now with over 6,000 cases across the province. So we'll keep you updated with the numbers as we have them from the provincial government. And Edson, let's all work together and let's be safe and take care of one another. On that note, have a great night, and I'll have a further update for you on Thursday.